What's up, everyone? Heading out, pick up a load. Got a 3-hour drive or so. Running a little bit late. Yesterday was my daughter's birthday and my parents were out, so I didn't have a lot of time to pack and get ready and all that good stuff. So I did it all this morning. But yeah, it's not a very good day for driving. It's pretty wet out. I drove to pick up the truck this morning and it was pretty putrid. But it is what it is. I'll make it work. I don't think it's going to be raining where I'm going this week. I got 2 stops in Arizona on my way to Texas and New Mexico. So I'm in for the long haul on this one. Texas and New Mexico. I'm going to be going to Roswell, which is pretty cool. I'm not a big fan of driving this big truck in Roswell, but just the history of the town, I think it's cool. I enjoy it. It's kind of trippy out there. And then I also have like a mountain pass that I'm possibly going to be taking. It depends on the weather and how it's holding up, because it does get snowy up there. So if there's snow on this pass, I'm not going to take it, no way. But I took it before and it was cool. I liked it. Just in the snow it would be way hairball. So I'll have to find an alternate route to go around if that's the case. But we'll get to all that once it comes. But yeah, I had all of last week off, so that helped me out a lot, getting caught up on things that I needed to do. Preparing for my daughter's birthday. She just turned 8. Getting ready for Halloween and all that good stuff. So yeah, we're not getting like lightning storms or thunderstorms or nothing. This is just straight rain. Which is nice, we need it. Definitely need the rain. And then I have a job coming up. I'm not going to be hauling lumber. I'm going to be dropping off this trailer somewhere. I'm going to be pulling another trailer. It's going to be my brother's bottling line. We're taking it down to Texas to a winery out there. And this bottling line is overweight. It's huge. It's 90,000 pounds or something like that. So I'm going to have quite the mission on my hands. If I think this truck gets stunted now when I'm loaded, just wait until I'm pulling that thing. It's a beast. Triple axles. You know, the whole 9 yards. It's a big trailer. So that should be an interesting one. I think my brother, he's gonna ride down with me. He's from Oregon. And my other brother, he's the owner of this company. So it's kind of like a a three-brother job. It'll be cool. Yeah, this weather, woo, beating up my haunted house. Let me tell you, I built that thing stout though. I'm gonna post the details of that build if you're interested on my other channel, VW Fun. I'm gonna kind of use that one for like personal stuff and like VW stuff and camping and, you know, anything really. And then this one will be just like trucking vlogs and all that good stuff, anything to do with my trucker experience, which this is a pretty good trucker experience. This is the first time I've driven this truck and this trailer in California in this type of rain. I've driven it in heavy rain before, but it was in like, you know, Arizona, New Mexico, Texas, where they're getting those crazy monsoons or whatever they are. I gotta get around this guy. He's just irritating me. Spraying all that water and driving slow. I'm driving a little fast for the rain. Like I said, I'm a little behind. I wanted to get out of where I was at by 8 a.m. and it's about a 20-minute drive, I'd say, from my house. So, and I got out of my house at like 8:30, so I'm about 10 minutes behind, I think, which isn't big. You know, this storm may slow me up a little bit, which is a viable excuse. Can't control the weather and road conditions. Truck seems to be running good. Nobody's siphoned my gas, which is nice. Anyways, I'll slap you guys back on in a bit. I'm gonna get a little down this road, see what happens. Maybe I'll throw you on time lapse for a few. I think that'll be cool. All right, later guys. Out here in Santa Barbara now. Rain is not letting up. It's been raining this entire trip. Not one dry spot yet. So, seen a couple accidents on the road. Some guy rolled over in his pickup. All right. Still rolling. I'm on the 5 now. This is the grapevine here. Rain hasn't let up one bit. It's just dumping and dumping. I checked the weather for Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas, and it didn't have any rain in the forecast, so I'm wondering about where this rain is gonna let up. You know, hopefully it lets up soon. It's already gonna be rough having to load up in the rain and strap and all that. Right now I'm in some really high winds too. There was a warning back there for high winds. And yeah, it's pretty high. It's blowing me around a little bit since I am empty. This thing's kind of like a sail. When I'm full, it's like a brick. You know, this thing ain't moving anywhere. But being empty, it loves to blow all over the place. I got a little truck route coming up that I need to take. Not too happy with these guys though, just taking up this lane. I could go around them, but I don't want to get stuck off of this truck route. I mean, this truck route, I don't think you have to take it by law, but I prefer to. It does slow you down to 45, which kind of sucks. Yeah, I'm not gonna get around this guy, I don't think. Oh, come on, guys. Push. This guy's in an empty trailer. He should be getting up this hill no problem. Yeah, a lot of cars, they take this truck route too. You can see the trees, they're just blown all over the place. Oh, come on. Let me get it. Let me get it. I don't know what's going on here, but it's not looking cool. Son of a buck. Why are they going so slow? It's 45 through here. They're going a little better now, but geez, these guys are not doing as good as I would hope. Got some pretty cool little tunnels on this trucker route. Jeez, that guy's right up on his ass. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay on the 5. So I'll follow signs for the 5. I don't have my navigation going. I'm just free balling this one. Hoping I can get to the yard. Now, a lot of cars tend to take this, and I don't know why. It's like if I was in a car, I wouldn't want to be stuck with all these truckers. Comes another cool little tunnel. Especially with these truckers going 45 or even slower through here. You know, granted, a lot of them are probably just taking it easy because of the weather and the road conditions, I would suspect, but it's still kind of weird for them to be going this slow, I think. Just a lot of traffic right now. More traffic than typical for me anyway. And then I'll get back onto the 5 here, and then we'll have to take another trucker route. Oh, come on, dude. Give me some room. We all want to drive faster. Not all of us, I guess. I do. So does this guy up in front of me. Got the truck route in 3/4 of a mile. Hopefully I can get in front of some of these people. Running pretty late now. All this weather has been atrocious and traffic has been really stupid. Just driving super slow. You know, and then I get around to pass them, then they just speed up. It's the typical trucker thing, or, you know, truckers passing cars thing. I don't know why this guy's not getting over. Freaking idiot, man. Damn it. Fuck. Supposed to get over, bro. Jesus. I had to basically cut that guy off. He had plenty of room in this right lane to get over, and he wouldn't get over. He wouldn't get over, and I'm stuck with traffic behind him. Nobody would get over. What else am I supposed to do? Ugh, really ticks me off. Instead, you make me have to do like dangerous maneuvers like that. gosh. These guys in motorhomes. I don't even know if that guy's legal with how big his trailer is. Yeah, I'm hoping for a break from these wet roads. I'm over it. I mean, one day I'm gonna have to be hitting snow and all that stuff, but I'm gonna be over it too at that point. Anyway, I'm getting pretty close to my stop, so I'll put you guys back on when I hit the road again. Throw it on time lapse or something, unless I got something to talk about. But yeah, just wanted to give you an update on the weather and where I'm at. Always sucking. All right, later guys.